Stop now. Don't skip this. Work is quietly changing. And it's happening to you.
Every day feels normal. The routine, the coffee. But behind the scenes, work evolves silently.
Tasks that took hours are now done automatically. Optimization leads the way.
At first, it seems helpful. Soon, human input isn't needed. Work moves forward alone.
Every street, every screen. Work moves faster than humans can keep up.
The office feels normal, but the system is already completing tasks. Reports finish themselves. Emails send automatically. Humans just watch.
Efficiency sets the rules. People follow numbers, not decisions. Work isn't gone. It's done without him. And he's only realizing now.
The world looks normal, but work has changed quietly.
Tasks that needed him no longer do.
Work is optimal. 8 human ends are optional.
Systems move faster than people. They never pause, never sleep.
Opportunities fade quietly. Most won't notice until it's too late.
Speed beats experience. Systems never tire. Decisions are suggested and approved. No discussion needed.
Those who adapt survive. Those who don't disappear quietly.
Work isn't ending. It's ending as you knew it. Machines don't need motivation. They just perform. Systems take control. People no longer decide.
Nothing feels broken. That's why no one reacts.
Effort isn't rewarded. Efficiency is the law now. Humans become variables. Systems decide outcomes.
Nothing looks wrong. Change happens quietly.
Early adapters survive. Latecomers vanish silently. Tasks once demanding effort are now done automatically.
Optimization is silent. Humans barely notice.
Opportunities fade. Most never realize why.
Work continues. Humans are slowly replaced by systems.
Change is invisible. Most adapt too late.
Work is now optimal. Humans are optional. Adapt or fade quietly. The choice is yours.